Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be working on this IKEA Billy bookcase in my walk-in closet. I'm going to do a perfume display for all of the fragrances that I own. This is my walk-in closet. I did post a DIY video of this closet. If you have not watched this video, please go watch it. I'll leave the link below. So I purchased this 3-tier acrylic organizer from Amazon, and they have other sizes. I just purchased the one that works best for my space.
Got to be more sick of the side of mine. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze. No fun is not to sabotage this. Got to be more, been here before.
These are about 90% of all the fragrances that I own. I do have a smaller collection down in my beauty room, but this is majority of what I have. I'm going to use these LED motion sensor lights that I got from Amazon. I use these all over my house. I also use these in other areas of the closet as well. They come with a magnet and a sticky back to adhere them to wherever you want to place them. So here I just randomly placed the light. I didn't measure anything. I just eyeballed it. I don't advise that. I think you should measure out exactly where you want to place it, but I just put it up there.
I gave it all I could, stuck in this terror dome. All I see is terrible, making us hysterical. It's got to be more sick.
After I counted all the perfumes that I needed to put on this organizer, I realized I didn't have enough room, so I had to move the organizer over to the side of the bookshelf so that I can squeeze a few on the side. And if you continue to watch the video all the way to the end, you'll see that I just made it as far as space. I tried to organize them by putting all the perfumes to the front that I wear more frequently and the ones that I wear less frequently to the back. And those are the fragrances that I'm more likely to wear during, you know, a night out or a date or something. So I put those to the back, but the ones that I wear daily and to work, I put in the front.
Get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've given from you, best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care. This is urgent. Trying to make some little change to me. I want in my mind. Gotta let go away. He was holding me to the right, but it will break up in front of me. All the while, I wait my almost favorite. Still wanna try, still believe me. Good days, always always inside. Good.
If you are someone that's into perfumes, let me know down below in the comments which one out of my collection has ever been one of your faves. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please hit that like button. And if you would like to see more from me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching.